Hi, today we learn about how to create a user in Jenkins and how to create and assign the role using role strategy plugin. Also, we see the different way of assigning the roles. Don't skip the video so that only you can understand fully. Now move to the topic. Here you just log in your Jenkins as an admin. In the left hand side, you can see the manage Jenkins option. Just click on that. Scroll it down. Here you can see the manage user options. Click it. Now you can the option to create new user. Now we start creating 3 users. I start with user 1. Type username is user 1 and then password, confirm password, full name and email of that particular user. After enter these details, click on create user. Followed by I just create 2 more users so that only you can understand multiple possibilities, right? User 2, password, name and email, and then user 3, okay, that's it. Now just log in as any of these user. Now you can see this user have an access to control of all the Jenkins functionality like admin. It's not a best idea in a real life, right? So we need to set some limitations. For achieve that, we need role strategy plugin. Now note that once before you doing that, you need to log in as an admin, not any other user. So just log out this and again I log in as an admin. Now go to manage Jenkins. Here you can see the manage plugin option to download and install all the Jenkins plugins. Here you can see the multiple tabs. We don't have that plugin, so we go to available and search role. Then select the first one, role based authorization strategy, and then click on install without restart. Now the plugin is start installing. Wait for a second until the installation process success. Now the installation process fully completed. After that, we need to check the plugin is enabled or not. For that, we go to global security. Okay, I just moved into wrong section. Just go to manage Jenkins, scroll it down. Okay, here you can see the configure global security. Click on that. Yes, here you can see the role-based strategy under the authorization section. Just click on that and apply. Okay, now just log out and log in as any one of user. Yes, you can see it shows the access denied message because still we are not assigned any roles and permission for that user. So we just log out this section and log in as admin. Create role, go to manage Jenkins and go to security. Here you can see manage and assign role options. Click on it. Yes, here it having three options: manage role, assign role and role strategy macros. So now click on first option, manage role. You can see it contains three types of roles. One is global one, another one is item role, and then node roles. First we see about global one. Here you can set permissions on a global basis. For example, in your company, they have different positions. So based on that, you can select the permissions. In my case, I just create the permission for developer and also for tester. So just type the role name as developer and click on add. And now I set some permissions like overall read and some more view permissions. In the same way, I create another role for tester. Role name is tester and then permission. Okay. Now move to the next role. It's an item role. In this role, you can assign the project permissions to the different roles so that a developer can see their projects only. But how it's possible? Let's see. Here, let me create role name as a developer and the pattern like dev.star. In this case, the developer can see only the project which start with dev. Okay. Then I create the same pattern for tester. The role is tester and the pattern is tester.star. After that, I just select all the permissions for both the roles. And then save changes. Click on assign roles. Here you can see the added roles exhibits here. So it's very simple to continue. Add the users, user 1, click on add and then user 2 and user 3. Now assign the roles. User 1 is the developer and user 2 and user 3 is the tester. Do the same thing for item roles. Add the users 1, 2 and 3 and assign the roles. Apply the changes and then save. Now we need to create the jobs for that users. Enter job name is dev-project01 and then save the job. Create the projects for tester. So just type tester project 01, then save the job. Here you can see the project is created. Now we need to check user 1 whether it is updated or not. See, you can see the two projects exhibits which is stored with the dev because user 1 is the developer. Now we move to user 2. User 2 is a tester. Yes, you can see the project is exhibits. The project name is which is stored with the tester. But in this case, if tester is in uppercase, what will done? Okay, let check that one also. Go to admin login. And create a new job. And this time we create an uppercase tester project 02. Save the job. Now move to user 2 login. It's a tester, right? See, it's not available here because the pattern which we added is not control the case sensitive. So we need to change the pattern now. So go to admin login, manage Jenkins, manage assign roles, go to manage role. Just delete this tester and then add role name as tester, and the pattern is we can change within bracket question mark I and then add the project name dot star. This will control the case sensitive. So don't forget to add the permissions. After that, we apply and save the changes. Now we log in as a tester. Before that, we test that. Okay, it's added. Here we know the 4 project is exhibits with starting with the tester. You can check whether the 4 is updated in user 2. Yes, you can see the 4 project is exhibits in user 2. So that's it.